Adverbs of time. What is an adverb of time? An adverb of time is a word that describes when an action occurs. In this video, we will look at 15 adverbs of time and their definitions and examples of how you can use them. Let's get started. Now. Definition: at the present moment or time. Example: we need to leave for the airport now to catch our flight. Later. Definition: at a time in the future or after the time you have mentioned. Example: let's meet for coffee later this afternoon. Early. Definition: before the usual or expected time. Example: he arrived early to the meeting to prepare for the presentation. Late. Definition: after the expected or usual time. Example: she stayed up late studying for her exam. Yesterday. Definition: the day before today. Example: we went to the beach yesterday and had a great time. Today. Definition: the current day. Example: I am busy with work today, but we can meet tomorrow. Tomorrow. Definition: the day after today. Example: tomorrow is a new day with new opportunities. Afterwards. Definition: at a later or subsequent time. Example: after the party, we went out for pizza afterwards. Before. Definition: during the period of time preceding a particular event or time. Example: I finished my homework before dinner. After. Definition: following in time, subsequent to. Example: after the movie ended, we went out for ice cream. Already. Definition: by this or that time, previously or earlier than expected. Example: have you already finished your assignment? Yet. Definition: up until the present or a specified time, still. Used in negative statements and questions to indicate that something has not happened but is expected to happen. Example: the office is not yet open, but I will do it soon. Recently. Definition: at a recent time, not long ago. Example: she recently moved to a new city for her job. Previously. Definition: at an earlier time, before the present time or the time being discussed. Example: he had previously visited Paris on vacation. Eventually. Definition: in the end, especially after a long delay, dispute, or series of problems. Example: eventually, he realized his dream of becoming a pilot.